Okay, let's continue again with the video. I was trying to show the configuration of all the vetiver, how the algorithm of nature works. Everything is equally where it has to be planted. You see? Look at the locations of the vetivers. That's the way you also have to plant it if you have plans to use it, plant the vetivers in your projects. Okay, as you can see, there's the way the waterways comes through, and these plants are planted like that to block the sand from going away through the sea or to a dam or something. But you could see all these vetivers. What it tells me here that for many months there's no rain coming through here. You could see the vetivers are not dead. They're still alive for even though for many months no rain passed. So this leaves and tells you a story, you see. And the other thing is you could see the gray on the grass indicating it's going to do combustion. It's going to clean itself. The gray colors of the leaves, when they become like that, means it's going to combust. It's going to burn itself. See here also you can see it. It's not being burned by nobody. It's just it does it by itself. So see, and you could see how they all part from each other. See, that is the advantage. You can see here the colors. They're very gray and thin. That means for a couple of months, no water has not been flowing here. You can see it on this side too. They're not dead. See, they will survive at any cost. See, that is the advantage about Curacao Vetivers. I never knew about this type of grass. Now that I'm analyzing and researching and seeing how nature does it, I understand that everything has its purpose, its reason. Its reason. I believe it can be used in many other countries. See, because it has much more benefits than the other vetiver. Anyway, let's continue with more videos about Curacao Vetivers benefits and awesome gifts.